Good morning everybody, good morning and welcome to Joining a Bike and welcome to sunny Blackpool. Look at this, beautiful, and of course Kitty's here.
Morning everybody, happy 2025.
Yeah, 2025, yeah. It's the first time out on the phone bikes and we've brought them to Blackpool. As you know, we always do the ride the lights normally with the phone bikes, but today we've come out of season, haven't we? Well, in season for the nice weather.
Yeah.
But not the ride the lights because that's later in the year, which we will be back for, of course, so keep an eye out for that. But yeah, we're at sunny Blackpool. Look, there's the glitter ball, there's the roller coaster in the background, and the tower, Blackpool Tower in the distance there. So yeah, first ride of 2025, we thought we'd do it proper. On a nice day. It's about what, 20 degrees, Kate, isn't it?
20 degrees.
20,
yeah.
21 degrees, and it's going to get warmer. Yeah, look, you might be able to see us in there. Look, there's my kid, you can see us. So yeah, it's going to be a lovely day, so we thought we'd make the most of it. Come to Blackpool when the lights aren't on. It's actually, is it the first time, Kit, we've come here on the phone, on the bikes?
On the bikes, yeah.
Without being on the ride the lights, yeah. We only ever come here normally for ride the lights, so yeah. So it's nice to explore and see what it's like to ride around normally when it's not ride the lights. So there we've got the roller coaster folks at the what's that called, Kit? It's just the Pleasure Beach or something.
Yeah.
Yeah, the Pleasure Beach. What a cracking day, lovely. And there's of course the sea, which I haven't even showed you, I don't think ever. Bit of a mist out there. It's not cold here, is it, Kitty? It's very, very warm, it's lovely. Go on then, shows what you're made of. Careful. You're out of speed there.
I don't know how I'm going to get back down though.
Just come down here. At an angle.
I'm scared.
Go on, hurry up, you're going to a wall. Oh, well done, well done. No, you did it though. From Catherine?
People that have been at the tower, it's the old fashioned programmes.
Oh, that's what it is. All
Yeah.
right. Programmes. So we've got no idea at all how far we're going today. We just plod along, aren't we, Katie? Plodding along, see how far we'll go, see how we'll get there, exploring. Because we haven't been right down here, have we? Have we walked down here?
Yes, we walked a bit further and then we went up on the top.
Yeah, I think we walked down here, but we haven't really explored all the way down, and we certainly haven't been on the bikes at all, have we? So it's all new adventure. It's all exciting, folks, all exciting. Lots of fishermen down here, loads of fishermen. It's obviously a very popular fishing spot by the looks of it. Look at that water, guys, look at that. Looks very serene. Looks very unreal, doesn't it, Katie? Looks very artificial, that does. You could swim in there, couldn't you, it looks like?
Might be a bit cold.
So if you ever come to Blackpool, try this out. This little track we're on now. It's fantastic, isn't it, Kitty? It's really good. It's really good. It goes for miles and miles. It goes between Blackpool and the next town up, doesn't it, you say?
Well, that's where we look as though we're heading to now.
That's what it looks like, wherever that is. We don't know what that is, do we? No idea what it is, but you can see in the distance there. Over the distance there, there's another town by the looks of it. So yeah, it's very good. And it's flat, easy to ride, very, very good. You could easily come with your families, couldn't you? No problem.
Definitely.
Yeah.
I bet in the summer it's heaving.
Yeah, there's a lot of fishermen down here. Not now, there isn't though. We must be past the point of fishermen because there's no fishermen down this point, so you mustn't be able to drive down here. But you do get a lot of fishermen down this way. And a few bikes, like you've just seen going past. But it's good, very, very good. We just came upon these plaques here, memorial plaques. These are fantastic, look at these. They're really nice, aren't they? Very unusual. Like that. Good stuff. Obviously the people obviously loved coming here, didn't they?
Yeah.
Loved coming and visiting the seaside, so they've got plaques for them, look. Brilliant. Well, it looks like we're the next place. It looks like it's Cleevy's, I think. Unless that's the name of the like a cafe or something, Katie. No? Cleevy's. Oh, Cleevy's Jubilee Beach. We've never been here before, have we? I like them posts, Katie. Them posts there with the light on top. They're pretty cool, aren't they? These here. I like them. So we're at Cleevy's, is it? Cleevy's. Cleevy's, unusual name. And we stopped to have our dinner. We're going to stop to have a bit of a picnic, aren't we, Katie? Always get good picnics off, Katie. There is some food, are you? We're pretty hungry. We're pretty hungry. We're going to have our sandwiches now, folks. Oh, look at them. Oh, it's the croissant ones, look. Love it. I'd like to thank today's sponsor, Cadence, the cycling app that can replace an expensive cycle computer. Available for Android and Apple devices, Cadence is your go-to app for tracking runs, rides and indoor workouts and gives you over 100 stats. Cadence uses GPS, barometer, pedometer, Apple Watch and Bluetooth sensors to map and track your activities, which you can customize however you like. It's got built-in turn-by-turn navigation and you can easily import routes or create your own. You can even share your live location or compete on Strava segments right in the app. It's all private, all powerful, and it's all in your pocket. Now that's a big paddle. Look at the size of that paddle. That's fantastic. It's really nice down here, Katie, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's really nice. We've just been saying there's loads of places to sit as well. If you look here, look. All the way down, there's loads of places you can sit. Yeah. So here's a little sheltered area there, look. Oh, loads of places to come and have a picnic, like we've just had our picnic, which was lovely. It's very nice, isn't it? And the sea's right in at the moment, folks. Look at this. People sitting reading and stuff. It's nice, isn't it? First time I've been here, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Never been here before. Never been in the car here. Didn't know it existed. Just shows what you can discover when you come out on the bike. Find all sorts of new exciting places. So we're heading back now, folks, back towards Blackpool area. We think by the time we get back it's going to be about what, 12 miles, something like that? About 12 miles, yeah. But so far it's been really good. We've got the wind behind us now as well. I mean, it was, I see a wind, slight breeze, wasn't it? Very slight breeze we had in our faces going that way. But now it's behind us. So we're getting a bit of a push, which is always nice. Look how flat this is. It's fantastic. That's a bit of go-karting, guys, huh? Go-kart. We've never seen them do a go-karting here yet, have we, Kitty? Is that what it is, huh? Yeah, it could be. We've seen that before, but we've never ever seen a go-karts in it. Maybe they just don't come at the right time to see them. So we're back in the middle of Blackpool again, heading back towards the tower. So far it's been a really good ride, really good. That section down there, which we've never been on before, that was really good. And hardly any people around as well. It was very, very quiet, which is fantastic. Brilliant. As you can see, back in the middle again. Go on, Catherine. Well, folks, we've got the necessary thing here. Coffees, of course, from Wetherspoons, aren't they?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're going to have that and going to have ourselves a break and, of course, a biscuit as well. Fancy going there, guys? Nah, me neither. Not my cup of tea. Never been a big fan of roller coasters. I used to have a friend actually who loved roller coasters, but he always scared to go on his own. So he always persuaded me to go on with him. Not my cup of tea. Don't really like roller coasters. Do you like roller coasters, Kitty? Hey?
I don't like heights.
You don't like heights? No. No, I'm not a big fan of roller coasters at all. And that's quite a big one. I forget the name of that one, do you? I have no idea what it's called. It's quite a big one though. There's this whale's tail as well by the looks of it. So we're heading back down towards the car area, but Kitty wants to do a little bit extra, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're going to do a little bit, about another mile or so, 2 miles maybe?
Maybe down towards St.
Yeah, down towards where? St Anne's. We're going to head to St Anne's down that way. Past where we parked the car, do a little bit extra. I think we've already done about 12 miles, haven't we?
Yeah, we'll see.
Kate's feeling good, aren't you?
I am.
Feeling good?
Feeling okay, yeah.
Yeah. First time out this year. Feel all right?
Go
Yeah.
back home.
Yeah, she's feeling good. So let's do a little bit extra, a few extra miles, and why not? Beautiful weather. I mean, look at how calm that sea is. Look at that behind Katie. It's like glass. Fantastic. Is that your model demonstration?
Yeah.
Is it? What was it again? Very
Am
good.
I right?
So we're nearly at the end now. Been an absolutely cracking day, and we've done 15 miles. Katie reckons. Contour a watch, because you've got a watch on there which gets the miles. Because I don't take the computer with us when I go on the phone bike. But it's been good though. It's been an absolutely fantastic day. Have you enjoyed yourself, Katie?
Really enjoyed it.
Yeah.
It's been a really good day.
I've got the sunglasses on now because the sun's getting brighter and brighter in my eyes, and I've only got one good eye, so it was getting a bit painful on the eyes. So yeah, been a brilliant day. Great first day out on the phone bike, and many more to come. Yeah, many more to come.
Definitely.
Yeah.
First of many.
So it is goodbye from me,
Bye, everybody.
and it's goodbye from Katie. So thank you very much everybody for joining us, and I'll see you all very soon, both on the mountain bike and road bike and phone bike hopefully soon. Take care everybody. Bye. See you all later. See you later. Bye bye.